today's video, I was gifted this camera from TikTok to test it out, try it out, and promote it. So today's video and today's vlog is going to be a full vlog, well, mostly a full vlog, full of basically footage from this camera, me recording on this camera, testing out the quality. Be sure to comment, like, do all that stuff, and give me feedback on if you guys like the quality of the camera or not. And yeah, I'm keeping it short because I'm actually editing the video right now, and hopefully I can post it by tonight. So this intro is going to be very quick. But yeah, so just watch the video, look at the difference between my iPhone camera and then this camera. And of course, my iPhone camera is going to be crisper and clearer. But for this to be an Amazon $100 digital camera, I think it did a pretty good job. But just let me know. And remember, what's bad biddy, also a biddy, you're a bad biddy. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, watch the video. What do we think? What do we think? From what I know, the sound quality probably sounds like trash right now. I have to get a microphone for this camera as long as the quality looks okay and the quality looks decent. That's all we're really worried about, okay? How does everything look? Let's go in the bathroom. Let's go in the bathroom. How do I look? Okay, let's go get dressed because I do have a TikTok that I can make right now. And yeah. Okay, so outfit is on. She's really cute, really slimming. It's actually a two-piece, but the waist is so high up on these pants that it doesn't look like it, but it is. Okay, so you know, I spend most of my time in that bathroom doing my hair anyways. This piece just won't. Let me fix this piece. Okay, hair is as fixed as it's gonna get. But how do we look with this camera in our hand? How do we look? Okay. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good.
What happened?
It's my mom's necklace.
Yeah, it is lightweight. It's $21.99 in order to fix it, okay? Just wait me 2 minutes.
Yeah, I just got it. Yeah.
I know because my granddaughter have one.
She does?
Yeah, she's like, look what I got.
I know. I feel
It's so
cute. It is.
Yes, it is cute.
It is.
I
got everything. I got everything from
that
there.
perfume and the bottle is so nice, like a pink bottle.
Pink but silver. Yeah, I got it for Christmas. I got it for Christmas.
She had it go.
Oh my god. Y'all, my anxiety in there with this camera was on level 10. Okay. Let me call my mom. Hello?
Okay, I just swirled back around, so
Okay, I'm in the front.
okay, I'm coming back up.
Okay. Okay, so now we're on our way to City Trends and DD's because I start my new job tomorrow and I have to wear scrubs, so I'm really excited. Aren't we excited?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are. Very, very, very excited. What are
don't say? So we're going to Mellow Mushroom, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah, super excited. I'm hungry.
Pizza with some ranch.
Oh, that's cute.
Abby will be right with you, okay? Knocking me out.
Gosh,
Put it in tempo.
because you taking too long to sit down. Is it good?
Real good. Really good.
Tangy.
Not good.
It's good. It tastes like exactly what it's called.
And strawberry lemonade.
1, 2, 3.
Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just
Y'all, this camera is about to die. It's about to die, mama.
Oh, goodness. What we gonna do?
What we gonna do?
They got your plate. I don't see no chocolate.
It's down there on the bottom. Okay, so we are back home now, and I played around with the focus and like the camera a little bit, so like it's auto focusing right now, and it wasn't doing that before. So thank God this camera can autofocus, because that's one thing that I'm like highly like, it must, in camera of mine must have autofocus, because my big camera doesn't have autofocus, and that really was like the biggest downside of that camera. But this one is small, compact. Now I do want to say, walking around public with the obvious camera was definitely a step up for me, like a milestone. Like, even though this is like a budget friendly TikTok video camera, like just walking around with the camera period really helps. So now I'm about to just play around with the filters while I still have battery strength, and we're gonna see if y'all like it before the night is over. But yeah, is it focusing? No, it's not. There we go. Good morning, guys. So we are at Dunkin' Donuts right now, and I have 30 minutes to get to work. Hi, yes, can I get 1 cream cheese bagel, and that's it?
A plain bagel toasted with cream cheese, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Gotcha. Your total will be $3.43 at the next window.
Thank you. I did my nails last night. They're cute. They're really cute. Let me get this money out. I'm tripping. I look real washed out. It's because of the sun.
You got a playmate on purple?
Okay.
243. With your receipt?
Thank you. I do have bagels at my house, but I didn't want to risk being late. Okay, you guys, so currently right now I am trying to find out how to take the Sims card and get the footage from that Sims card, because the way you're supposed to do it is just taking too long, and I feel like it could be an easier way to do that, so that's what I'm going to do. So right now we're just searching up little stuff for that. Y'all, this is the set. It's really cute. Let me go to the bathroom and show you guys. This is a set. It's really cute, really comfy. It's kind of hot. I'm not gonna lie. So like, this would be so comfy and cozy for like Christmas or like the fall. But like right now, I'm like burning up because it's also hot in this house, and me and my mom love candles. So it's a whole bunch of candles lit right now because we want our house to smell good for when we paint. But anyways, yeah, I wonder how much footage can hold in this Sims card. I wonder how much. That's like my biggest concern right now, is having too much footage on it and needing to download it so I can clear off the storage. But let's try. So I just ordered one of these adapters off of Amazon, and I don't know if you can see it, but like it has a splot, not a splot. It has a space for the little Sims card. That's what I have right now. That little Sims card right there. That's what's in this camera. So we're going to give it on fastest delivery. We're going to Amazon Prime that mug to this doorstep tomorrow. And yeah. Look at the fashion, ladies. Okay, y'all, so we are back home now. It is 9:57. I did make this wig real quick, okay, y'all, because I thought that I could. This is the wig. I'm going to put this wig on just so y'all can see what I'm talking about. But it's just not giving. And I think it's not even because I never tried blonde hair before. I've dyed blonde hair other colors, but as far as like straight blonde hair, like I've never worked with just like straight up blonde hair. So I was excited because I am on spring break and I wanted something different for the week. So yeah, all that's like the glue, and because I use black glue, is showing through the cap a little bit. That's like a fault on my end, but I knew it was gonna do that. I was just lazy and didn't feel like going to get some. So I'm gonna put this wig on. But y'all see like it's closing. It's no lace. But it was cute for the day. I did have a hat on, and y'all see me with the scarf on, so it was really cute for today. But I still want my blonde hair satisfied, like that craving satisfied. So I did go to the beauty supply store, and I did purchase me a synthetic wig. And we're about to put her on. I'm super excited. Now I did try her on in the store. So she looked good in the store. But this is the brand. So first things first, I need to braid my hair back. And while I'm braiding my hair back, I'm going to talk to y'all about like just my day, since y'all didn't really get to see that part of like my day. After I finished fixing my wig, I went to church today, first off. I did go to church today. And then after church, I came home and kind of played around with that wig and finished making it. And then I took a nap. And I didn't really want to record that part of me making the wig because it was going to take forever. And I knew that it wasn't going to turn out the way I wanted it to off rip, because I didn't buy, first of all, I didn't buy white glue. I had used black hair glue. So then after that, I got dressed, then went over to my grandma's and then picked her up. Then me, her, and my mom went to this place called Cole Haynes Irish Pub. We went there last year, and it was like a lot of like green festivities, Irish people, like it was pretty cool. So we went there again this year, and it was so much fun. That's where I got my little face painted, you know, a little glitter tattoo. And then we're gonna put our stocking cap back on. I'm not gonna lay down my lace like how I usually would because I have work on Tuesday, and I'm not wearing this blonde hair to work because I just started my job. Like, I just started my new job, and I don't want to scare them off by coming in black one day and then blonde the next. So we're gonna be black for a little minute. So anyways, okay, so what else? So yeah, so we went to the Irish pub, and it was really fun. We played bingo. I won me a little leprechaun hat. Like, they had people out there painting faces. There was beer pong. There was a lot of games and activities. Y'all, my light is going dead, or it's overheating. I think it's overheating, so it needs to cool down. So we're gonna be out without light for a little minute, but my baby hairs are literally out on the side. Like, that's a swoop right there that I did earlier today. Okay, let me keep working with it, and then I'll be back. She's cute. She's much better than the other wig I just made. I could deal with this type of closure. Like, the lace just looks more up to date than the lace that was on that other wig. But she's cute. I like the wave. I like the curl. I like the wave, I like the pattern. So yeah, this is us. Now let's go to my room. She's cute though, but no, let's go to my room so I can clean up, and then I'm gonna go, because I'm tired, y'all, so I'm gonna go lay down, go to sleep. But when I wake up in the morning, oh baby, it's on and popping. It's on and popping. So I'm gonna do my makeup, and then I might ride out somewhere, do some errands, just because I'm cute. Literally just because. Literally just because. Okay, guys, so it is morning. It is 11:38 a.m. Can y'all see that? Y'all can see it. It's 11:38 a.m. And we are gonna style this wig properly and put her on our head. Now, when it comes to wigs or synthetic wigs, I realize that if you know how to do wigs, you know how to do human hair wigs, and you know how to do synthetic hair wigs. And a wig is a wig. And if you were a true hairstylist, then you know how to work with both. That's just my opinion, honestly. So I went ahead and put a little more makeup in that part and darkened it up a little bit, because that's what needed to happen. Now I'm gonna put this bad boy on. Yeah, that looks better already. Like the color looks better already. Yeah, that's what I need. Okay, now to do the other side. Okay, so we are done with our hair. Now we are satisfied with our hair. Like I'm really satisfied with this. The layers, the lace color, the tint, the wave, the length, like I'm really satisfied. So now we're about to go do our makeup, and then I'm also making me some bagels right now. They're in the toaster, so we're gonna do our makeup, eat breakfast, and then pick out an OOTD, and then we'll be ready for our daily errand run, because we got some stuff to do today. Like, we got a decent amount of stuff to do. When I do my makeup, I will not be doing my lashes because I don't have any lashes here. So one of the stops is going to be going to the hair store to get us some lashes so we can wear them for today. Okay.
Lately I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause nothing, but I don't want you up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here?
I haven't done like a full face of makeup in forever, so I don't know how it looks right now. Hopefully it looks decent. It probably looks crazy because I ain't got the lashes on. But we got everything else on. And I ain't got my lips on. But hopefully we look like we're coming together. So now let's go pick out OOTD. I really want to wear that black two-piece again for my pictures because I feel like just black with the blonde hair, like it's gonna eat down. But I'll save that for the pictures. Let's look at what we're gonna wear just to run errands in for the day. It's still gonna be cute though. Like what I'm gonna wear is still gonna be cute. So this is the OOTD, and in the camera, this pink looks pinker than this pink, but in reality, like in real life, like they look like the same pink. But anyways, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's raining. And it's raining and stopping and raining and stopping. So what I'm gonna do is wait till like it stops raining and then go on our venture. But till then, I got a video I gotta edit. Y'all, I left the Sims card and that little device that I had bought, and that's at my house. So we can't record my evening out on my camera, but I still want to get footage for y'all. So I'ma just upload and take capture the moments like on my phone like how I usually do. But no, that sucks. Anyways, I get asked all the time what type of lashes that I use. I use Curly Sue lashes, but more specifically, D-curl lashes. D-curl lashes are very curly, and like some people be like, oh, what lashes do you wear with your glasses? These be the lashes I wear with my glasses. D-curl lashes be the lashes that I wear with my glasses. And yeah, because they're so curly, and I'm gonna show y'all. Because they're so curly, they don't ever touch my glasses. And it's also like the placement that you wear your glasses to, like that makes a big difference. But I'm gonna put these on so we could be bad bitties. I just put those on so like messily, like but they're on. Okay, y'all, so we back at City Trends looking for a scrub, and then I also seen that they had jackets, like scrub jackets here. So we gonna look and see what they got. I got my scrubs. And I also got me a cute little jacket, like a BBL jacket, because I'm kind of mimicking what I see like the other girls wear, kind of like a little bit. I'm really still kind of devastated that I left my camera at the house, or I left my like Sims card at the house. Like that really just like really put like a hole in my heart. But anyways, we're gonna go to this place on called Maxway. A lady in City Trends told me about it, and we finna go see
the type of scrubs they got. Okay, so I just came out of Maxway and got the best fitting scrubs. I got all black for my scrubs because we gotta wear dark colors, and I haven't seen anybody else wear any color but black. So these are my scrubs, and they had the right sizes, so an extra large, so it's not tied up on me. Okay, baby, so it's actually the next day. It is Tuesday, and I recorded all my outros and the rest of the video on my camera, but it was in slow-mo, so there's no way that I could revert that, bring the sound back, because when the camera records in slow-mo and in fast motion, it doesn't have any sound. So that's a loss. But I've been sitting here for like 2 hours straight looking for videos that I know I had, and for some reason, like, the videos when I found them were slowed down and didn't have no sound, and that kind of took me back. But anyways, so this is it for the video. Hopefully you guys don't mind the camera quality. I don't mind it personally. I feel like if I just keep it in the right lighting, and give me a proper microphone, then that the camera has potential. Things that y'all missed that I did record: I changed my nails and my wig, obviously, because I found these nails and I thought they were just so freaking cute. And then of course I changed my hair. All you guys missed is me putting this wig back on. This is my everyday wig, and I put layers in all my wigs. So this wig has layers. Well, it also has face framing pieces, but I'll brush it out for you guys. Yeah, this is my everyday wig. That's it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the new content. Remember, once a bad bitty, you're once a bad bitty, always a bad bitty, you're a bad bitty, and I'll see y'all next time.
Working OT, trying to show you what it's like just to know me. Never since the day you approached me, I've been thinking about you and you only. And we just like a fuck, that's nothing else.